guys, weather's nice out today and we're out here for the Maiden Flight. Thank you guys for watching all the build videos, and let's see how this flight goes. Hey guys, so after the first flight, it went pretty good. Flew pretty stable actually. The CG seemed pretty good. I didn't use any flaps or anything in the landing or in the takeoff. Hey guys, we just crashed the 152 pretty bad actually. Split the fuselage and tore the nose up pretty bad. Something happened with the nose and it just ripped off something. And it's dead sticky to the ground, so we'll see what happened. Yeah, it looks like the motor got hot and it just melted the motor mount right here, and it just completely broke. like the motor mount right here. And yeah, it just completely melted everything. And then it just snapped off this and snapped off the battery cover, and then the motor was just stopped. The spinner broke. After all that work, it's a bummer to see it in a bunch of pieces after one quick flight. If anybody's got any ideas on what went wrong, let me know in the comment section below. I'm not too sure what happened, just the motor mount broke. The battery stayed intact. I disconnected the battery once I got to the crash scene. And I got the parts printing out right now, so hopefully I'll have this back out on the field soon. So look out for my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.